Which of the following is correct? 5 by 7 greater than 3 by 8 greater than 11 by 15 greater than 7 by 9. I want to let you in on a secret. Whenever you get questions like this, don't just get consumed by the math and think about what might be the weakest link in each thing. And so 5 by 7, this looks like it's greater than half. This is less than half. Right? This is greater than half. This right here is a weak link. I'm not going to take the LCM of 7, 8, 15 and 9 and complicate the math. I'm going to check whether 3 by 8 is greater than 11 by 15. 4 by 8 is half. This is less than half. Half of 15 is 7.5. 7.5 by 15 is half. So this is more than half. This number is greater than half. This number is less than half. So this is less than this. This thing breaks down. 7 by 9 more than half. 11 by 15 more than half. 3 by 8 less than half. 5 by 7 more than half. This is what I'm going to look at. I'm going to compare 3 by 8 and 5 by 7. 3.5 by 7 is half. So this is more than half. 4 by 8 is half. So this is less than half. So this is less than this. This is ruled out. 3 by 8 greater than 7 by 9 ruled out. 3 by 8 is less than half. 7 by 9 is more than half. Of these four fractions, 3 by 8 has got to be the smallest. So this is the right choice, but you can still make sure of this if you so choose to. Right now I've eliminated these three. Of the four fractions, when we started, we did not know that all four choices had the same four fractions. I mean some other set of four fractions. Of the four, 3 by 8 is the smallest. That much we are clear of. So this goes here. 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 8. That we know. These two, we can still, this link, we can still compare. We can say 7 by 9 compared with 11 by 15. The LCM is 45. 45, 15 3s are 45, 11 3s are 33. 9 5s are 45, 7 5s are 35. This is greater than this, this is greater than this. This link works. This link works. We can compare these two, or we can say these three are definitely wrong and then jump in and mark this. I'm going to compare these two as well. 11 by 15 and 5 by 7. LCM of 15 and 7 is 105. 11 into 7 is 77. 5 into 15 is 75. 105. This is greater than this. This is greater than this. One other way of comparing this, if you're comparing these two, we just need to compare 11 into 7, this product, with 5 into 15, this product. Because effectively, we're going to think of this as 11 into 7 by 15 into 7, 5 into 15 by 7 into 15. These two are the same. So we're comparing only the numerators. It's like saying, I won't really worry with the LCM of 15 and 7. I'm just going to take the common denominator as a product of 15 and 7. So I multiply these two, I can compare those and then be done with it. So this thing also we have verified, choice D works.